nice rub.
Really?
Oh, you can see it from here. See the 4 trees?
Yeah.
The back
man.
one.
That's a fucking big
Yeah.
buck.
Yeah.
So we should make a mock scrape right here.
You want to walk over there and look at it?
Well, we shouldn't do because you're the scent.
Okay.
You know, you
All
want
right.
to keep it. He's there. He'll know
All
we're
right,
in the
all right.
area.
Yeah, but you could see it from here.
Yeah. Yeah. What I was gonna do is make a mock scrape.
Yeah, do it.
You know what a mock scrape
You don't
is?
need to. There's one right there.
Where? No. This is a scrape on the ground where they come in and rub their.
That's where they sleep.
That was an old one. Look at that one. There's another one there. There's another big one on that side.
It could be, if it's not fresh, it could be from an excavator.
No, that's fresh on the other side.
Okay.
And that's his old one.
All right. Cool. Whatever you say.
No, I'll make a mock scrape.
Yeah. Joe, can you explain what you're doing?
Yeah. What I'm doing is digging out this area underneath a tree,
Uh-huh.
and it'll make me a scrape,
Like a little...
a make-believe mock scrape
Okay.
for the bucks to know there's another buck in the area.
Yeah.
And he'll come on in. Ted Nugent showed me this.
I think you've done enough.
Ted Nugent showed me this. And then you do this.
I spend my whole life planting, and you're destroying everything I plant.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Then you take some 69.
Yeah.
69
Okay. Yeah.
tinks.
Yeah.
And you put it in here.
Spray a little bit of that in there.
And that'll draw.
Is that like musk or urine or?
It's urine. Doe urine. Extra estro.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is where you're gonna shoot dinner?
Yep.
Okay. All right.
See if it's like diesel. That looks like it's not dry rotted. Here's the.
Question is, are the straps holding? Jeez.
It's definitely.
Only go as far as you feel safe, because I don't know if it's safe or not. I don't want you to fall, break your back.
No, I could use it. I would use it. It's not dry rotted.
Okay.
Solid.
You need a harness though, don't you?
Yeah. This is your trail right here.
Yeah. It's a trail.
Your trail right here.
I want you to climb up there and see the view.
I will.
Look at this. Something was laying right here.
Oh yeah, they're bedding down. Now where would you park the thing over here?
Down there where that pine tree is and walk over.
Okay.
Myself.
Okay. Holy shit, you thought that one was bad.
I've been in them.
Yeah, this is real bad.
I was in them a few days ago. Good morning.
You interview with me?
Yeah. We got Starline Joe here.
Yep. I got my hatchet, which I'm gonna break the bones on the bottom of the
Of what?
Deer, the deer.
What deer?
The deer that I shot.
What?
Eight,
What?
eight
You
point.
shot an 8-point?
Yes.
This
I
morning,
did.
for real?
Yes. It's
We got Yoder.
7:15
All
this
right.
morning.
Let's empty out the back of the Ranger. Let's go get that then.
Okay, let's
All
go
right,
get it.
all right.
Yeah, I'd go a different way. It's where the ground blind, the one blind is, right? Should be able to see them. Right there.
Oh yeah. Looks good. I don't know if this will alarm you or not, but I'm not touching that thing.
Okay.
What'd you find, Dory? Oh, that's a nice deer.
Yeah, oh yeah, beautiful deer.
Yeah.
So I shot it here, and then I spined it here the second shot when I didn't know if it was going down or not.
But one of them missed.
Well, I must admit, unless I haven't flipped him over, so there could be another shot.
Okay, Dory.
I would imagine I got, but innocent buck.
Did you find the deer, Dory? Huh? Did you
found the
find
deer.
him?
So I just
Good
gotta break
girl.
that centerpiece.
Good girl.
He came on this side. He came in the middle of the two track, and then I shot him.
Bald eagle.
And then he ran back that way.
See
a
those
little
two
bit.
bald eagles? See the white tails? Right there, 2 bald eagles.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, 2
Coming
of
for
them.
the gut pile. Hell yeah. Look
at that.
Dead over there. Maybe.
Alright, can I turn him over if you can right now? Yeah, that's most of it right there.
Nice 8-point Starline. Look at that.
Oh yeah.
Nice.
Alright, I didn't want to let you down.
You didn't let us down. Oh, you got a nice deer. Well, let's head over to the other side and see if Johannes has anything.
Alright.
No blood in here, buddy.
No, I got it.
We don't roll that
I
way.
got it all cleaned up.
Thanks for leaving the door open for 20 minutes and letting all the heat out, by the way.
No, I didn't. I closed it. I gotta get my heater.
All right, I'll stop. Where do I get a hat like that?
Oh shit!
A nice Bobcat winter hat? That's what I need. As good a time as any for a little corn chuck, once again. It's opening day, 2025. And look at our corn. The animals are loving it. We have a trail camera over here, a lot of bear, a lot of deer, a few raccoons. But they destroyed it. Look at how this is all just, they're in here eating this heavy. Look how beat down this is. This is all standing, I don't know. This was all standing a month ago. Wild. Look at this, I found one. Here's what's interesting about this corn. When I started pulling this corn a couple months ago, I noticed none of the cobs had kernels on the tip.
Okay.
Do you know why?
Yeah.
It's kosher. It's kosher corn. So that's a long haul up here. So I wouldn't mind if you took the 4-wheeler. We have some rope.
Yep.
You have gloves
No, I don't need gloves.
to gut it.
He'll wash his hands out in the pond.
You're amazing. Like a real man. I don't know, man. I couldn't do stuff like that. Where did Joe go? Starline.
He was walking
He's down there?
Yeah. Near the pond he came from there was,
Yeah.
and then I shot him a little bit closer, but
Nice. Oh, there he is.
Look at this. The shavings. Yeah. It's still there, fresh. The shavings.
A scrape?
This is a rub.
A rub.
The rub is.
Wait, what's on the ground? A
Fresh
scrape and a
shavings.
rub?
Yeah, the scrape is on the ground. A rub is on the tree, and look at the fresh shavings from the rub. See all the shavings?
Yeah, I sure do.
You're not supposed to touch it though.
I'm sorry. You're supposed to forewarn me.
Uh-oh.
You gotta
look at the body of that deer.
You gotta remember, my people don't do a lot of this.
Look at that. Look at that body
Yeah.
on that deer. Beautiful rack too.
Look at this. Nice, Johannes. That's another 8. I'll call that an 8.
I would say that's an 8.
Yeah. Heck yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. Wow. We pulled 2 nice 8s this morning.
Yeah.
Nice,
Thank
Dan.
you.
Nice.
My man's dog.
That's great. I don't know what you just said, That sounds
When you
good.
congratulate for hunting in Germany.
And
you
what's
say,
the word?
Weidmannsheil.
Nice. Look at that, man. This is what, about an hour ago?
No, that was maybe what time is it?
Couple hours.
Oh, yeah.
That's what it's all about, putting the time in and
Yeah.
being patient
Yeah,
and
yeah.
let the deer come to you.
Right.
And
It's beautiful.
get ready.
It's beautiful.
2 8 points.
2 8 points in one morning. Isn't that great?
Morning.
Yeah, man, there's just deer here. That was great. 2 8 points in one morning. Beautiful. This is just a fabulous hunting spot. There's a nice blind there. About 2 acres of corn on the other side of the blind. Yeah, we got a pond right down here. Some cover on both sides of the pond. Yeah. This is just a great field. Great field. Man, I love it here. I just love it. Man, this ranger's like headed right to the slaughterhouse.
Yeah. Like the rest of America's food.
Couple nice 8 points. No kidding. Something else. I'm gonna go hang them up and wash them out.
All right. Hey, I got the gloves in. You're the camera guy.
I know the camera guy.
I'm the producer. Second, first or second?
Drive the rain. Trash system. Sorry, get out. All right, can you get the front leg? Oh, the wind's the wrong way.
Pretty cool, guys.
Yeah.
Pretty cool. Couple 8 points.
Hell yeah, it's great. Good finish, you know what I mean?
That was a good finish. Yeah.
That's right.
Yeah.
After last night looking.
Yesterday was a little rough.
Hey,
These are
that
better.
makes today so much better.
Yeah.
That's right.
Yep. Good people,
Yeah.
good food, and a good outcome.
Yeah.
I'm glad you guys came and enjoyed yourselves.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, you're welcome. You're welcome too, Sterling.
Yeah. Kabasa. Kabasa.
Are you trying to say German words?
Schnitzel, Vino Schnitzel.
Very nice. Mickey helped make it possible. That's my dad.
Yeah.
Yeah,
In honor of Mickey.
Yeah.
I met him. He's
Yeah.
a great guy.
he was.
Whoop.
Good. Good. Right in the middle.
You're gonna cover his horns up?
Well, just a little bit right here. So when he's scratching the cheek. It's like really
Should have
marking
shot
it up.
one without horns, then you wouldn't have to worry about it.
Yeah.
Take your boot laces out and tie it up. How do you not have like toe straps and ratchet straps?
Because Ari usually supplies everything.
So if you're in Torch Lake and you get stuck, you go to Ari for a toe strap?
You know what? I was sailing fishing before this, so you know I was busy.
You didn't really...
Here. Starline, you want this?
Well, we need one for the back.
Okay.
So you're planning to go to this little thing in the hood? Is it right?
No, I can go. Let's go right to the bumper.
Okay. What if your bumper has no tie-off spots?
That's a good point.
There's one there. There's one.
The wrong way.
Do you have
You're
a
facing backwards.
do you have a zip tie at all?
Yeah.
I
Yeah,
can zip tie this.
Get you a zip tie.
You're good. Okay. You're good. Yeah, that's good. All right. Beautiful. Good. You're tight.
He's good now. So now he knows what to bring when he goes deer hunting.
Yeah. Bring
I figured he would.
bring more beer.
That's there.
Bring more beer. Beautiful. Look at that. Won't scratch the hood. Right? You think that's a good job,
Food. Instead of eggs, lox, and onions, we're having sausage, lox, and onions. There, egg, sausage, and onions.
Oh, that sausage looks good. Thanks for making breakfast, Joe.
Oh yeah.
Very nice.
Like a couple of friends before we driving down to Florida to Kentucky, and they said there's dead deer living everywhere.
I bet.
Yeah, Kentucky's got a, you know, Eastern Kentucky, right there. Big bucks, right?
Yeah.
How's my hair look? Is it good?
I think you have movie star hair. Well, look at where my judgment comes from. But I think you have just, Joe, you have beautiful locks.
Comes to my mother and my father. My mom made the pierogies, you know. She's got great hair. The food was phenomenal. I'm not, it really, man, to die for.
You got a lot of good things to say when he leaves.
How do you top that? Oh, my buddy was so jealous.
Wonderful.
My buddy Ron.
I,
He's like, man, you're so spoiled, dude. You get.
I want you to know something, though.
Yeah.
I mean, when I was a kid, I had lots of hair, too.
Oh, yeah.
I'm on the
I know who
left.
You are, yeah.
Yeah.
You should get a toupee like that.
Let
Just wear a
me show
toupee,
him.
Yeah.
Let me show him.
You got toupees that look like that. Toupees.
Joe, this is me at about 10 years old.
Wow, you had some good hair.
I know.
And you're taller than someone in that photo.
Yeah, well,
That looks just like an Amish bowl cut haircut.